Hey, what's up? There are many smartwatches and smartbands in 2021. All of them have sports functions, such as steps, calories and distance count, as well as heart rate monitor. Some of them even has built-in GPS. However, they are only fitness watches. I know only Garmin produces professional smartwatches for sports. However, the products from Garmin are very expensive. In this video, I want to tell you about a budget alternative to Garmin smartwatches. This is EZON T909C. The new watch has built-in GPS, pedometer, optical heart rate monitor, 580 waterproof, and battery life up to 12 weeks in standby mode. Okay, it is very unusual and interesting watch for me. So let's do unboxing and full review of it. The new watch comes in a simple white box. There is only a sticker on the back with a trademark, standard, origin and model. Inside the box I found the watch itself, magnetic charging cable and user manual. By the way, the user manual is really necessary, because the control and functions of this watch are not the same as on the other fitness bands. As you can see, EZON T909C watch has a round dial. There is a serval circle around the dial and 5 physical buttons on the left and right sides. The screen is not touch sensitive, so you can use only physical buttons. On the back there is heart rate sensor and charging contacts. The strap is made of silicone and it is not removable. As I already said, the watch is waterproof by 580 standard. It means that you can wash your hands, take a shower and even swim with this watch, but the manufacturer doesn't recommend to dive or go in the sauna with it. EZON T909C really looks nice, but more importantly, it is very comfortable. The weight of the watch is only 48 grams. As I said, all controls of the watch is done with physical buttons. In user manual I found that this is A button, B button, C, D and E buttons. When you do nothing on the watch, then you see a screen called Time Mode. Here we can see the time, day of the week, date and battery level. You can press and hold A button to set the time. The watch has 6 modes, such as time, run, chrono, timer, date and alarm. If you want to see the steps you have taken during the day, then press C button in the time mode. You can press the same button again to measure heart rate. D button makes the same, but in reverse order. There is also E button, and if you press it, you will go into run mode. First, the watch will search for GPS signal. And then you will see running time, distance, heart rate, pace, speed and time. You can press E button to pause start the running. Also, I want to show you chronograph mode. When running or racing on the track, you can use a chronograph to measure each lap's duration. At the top is the total time, and at the bottom is a lap duration. At first it is quite difficult to understand the control and settings of the watch, but after reading the user manual, everything becomes clear. So if you have some problems, just read user manual. It is really good. You can also write your questions in the comments below. I will try to answer them. One of the main features of EZON T909C is battery life. The watch is equipped with 250 mAh battery. The manufacturer promises 14 weeks of battery life on a single charge, but this is in standby mode. If you use GPS and heart rate monitor all the time, then the watch will last 8 hours. It is still very good battery life. Unlike other fitness watches and bands, EZON T909C is a real sports watch. It has a monochrome screen, which is great in direct sunlight. There are also physical buttons instead of touchscreen to control the watch. If you run, cycle or do other sports, you know that using a touchscreen is not comfortable. The watch also has built-in GPS, chronograph mode and long battery life. By the way, I didn't tell you the price of this watch. You can buy it on AliExpress for only $45. I think EZON T909C is a good budget sports watch, as well as alternative to expensive Garmin smartwatches. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.